Getting started with Robo Wunderkind. What's in the box? In the starter kit package, you will find main block, 2 motors, servo motor, connector block, distance sensor, RGB light, and a button. We also include 2 big wheels, 1 small wheel, 7 connectors, 4 Lego adapters, 1 wired connector, 1 disconnection tool, a quick start guide, and stickers. What are those blocks? Each block has a dedicated function. By connecting those blocks together, you can build robots and gadgets of different shapes and abilities. These blocks are also separated by colors. Orange is a main block. It has a speaker, microphone, and battery built in. So start building your robots with this block. Red blocks are sensors. Blue ones are motors. Yellows are lights. And green ones are the form blocks, which serve mainly a mechanical function. Now, when we are familiar with the building blocks, it's time to get to the software. Currently, we have 2 apps available for Robo Wunderkind: Robo Code and Robo Live. Robo Code is made for programming the robot, and Robo Live for controlling the robot in real time. Think remote control for your robot. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the apps. In this video, we will cover the Robo Code app. Once you have downloaded the apps, you are all set and ready to play. Now let's build some stuff. Go ahead and turn the main block on. Wait until the robot appears on the connection screen and press connect. Once you are connected, the app will check if the robot has the latest firmware. You might need to update the firmware first before starting. Let's begin with the first tutorial. You will see a story about 2 kids discovering Robo. Swipe right to find out where your Robo comes from and how you can activate it. Each project or tutorial requires certain modules to properly function. Follow the building instructions to build the robot for this project. Once you have built the robot, you can start with programming. A white dock at the bottom of the screen holds all the actions you can use to tell your robot what to do. The actions are the same colors as blocks, so it's super easy to understand. To tell the robot what to do, drag the actions to the board. Press play and see your robot come to life. To create a chain of actions, add as many as you want. Press connect and draw the arrow from one to another. Tap the action to set it up. You can also combine the actions together so the robot will do them at the same time. The dock displays only available actions depending on your robot configuration. Once you attach new modules, new actions instantly appear in the dock. You can delete the actions from your program by dragging them to the trash bin or activating delete mode. Once you are done with the program, exit the programming screen. Don't worry, your projects will be saved right here. On the bottom of the card, you can see what modules you need to run this program again. To create new projects, press the big green plus button, and don't be afraid to experiment. Show us what you have created with the hashtag RoboWunderkind on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Happy robo coding!